Hey garden friends, I'm Mel with Sucky Crafts, and in this series I will walk you through step by step our new line of craft kits. Today's video, I'm planting succulents in a little watering can, and a friend of mine, she saw this watering can and she said it would be nice if you could plant blue succulents in it so it can kind of look like water. So I thought that was perfect, and I have the plants here. For height, I have Senecio chalk sticks, and as a filler I have sedum. This is major, it's the blue sedum. I have blue Mexican snowball, and that's an echeveria. I have an echeveria azulita. And of course, I wanted to add some string of pearls because they kind of look like beads of water. And I have another echeveria, and that is echeveria firecracker. So I'm gonna get started by adding some soil here all the way to the top. And I'll start with the chalk sticks. And I'll kind of put them like right center. Take them out of their pots. Put the other one right beside it. Such a beautiful day in the garden. There's a nice breeze going. It's not too hot now. It was a little hot before, but it's cooled down. And this little watering can is made out of like some sort of vine and moss, and it's all held together with string. Super cute. It looks so pretty in your garden because it's rustic. Okay, so now that I have my tall plant here in the back, I'll start working the rosette styles. So let's see. Right there, perfect. And I'll save this space by the spout here for the string of pearls. And this is such a cute little plant. You see the mother plant right there? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies around. Oh, that's so cute, and they're nice and fuzzy. And they're super blue. And I'll tuck the babies so they can be right on the rim there. Perfect. I think I'll have to forget about the azulita. So I'll put that to the side here. And now, try to work the string of pearls here. And I have these 2 very long strands. Look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. So I kind of want to like wrap them around the spout somehow. It's kind of like just an idea I had. I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull it off. And I'll tuck that in. Perfect. Plant there in the soil, and that'll root. And I want to wrap the string of pearls around. Okay, there we go. I think I'm pulling it off. I want it to look like water coming out of the spout, kind of like that. Now I got this other crazy idea of wrapping this around. You can get creative. It's okay. Okay. Here we go. There we go, because now it'll grow around the little watering can. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little clump here just to fill it in. Okay, so I can put some sedum over here. There we go, took them in. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. That's very cute. Look, has a handle and everything. Oh, if you really like this planter, you can get it at Sucky Crafts and follow this video and do something like it. Until next time, bye garden friends. So while I tend to my garden, why don't you hit the subscribe so we can keep in touch.